Welcome to Logistic Digital Marketing, the place where you get information about various digital marketing techniques for the growth of your logistics business. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is advertising delivered through digital channel such as social media, mobile application, email, web application, search engine, website or any new digital channel. Digital marketing is one of the fastest growing trend in the marketing industry. Some of the industry has already started seeing the benefit of implementing digital marketing strategy in their business, such as retail industry, health industry, training and education, automobile, food, entertainment, and real estate sector. Logistic industry is the only industry which has been lacking behind in implementing this marketing strategy in their business plan. And there are various reasons and factors that can be the reason for not implementing digital marketing in their business plan. Many of the industry which has already implemented digital marketing strategy in their business has already started seeing high ROI return on their investment, and this is the factor why logistic industry should start taking digital marketing seriously. Digital marketing is all about enhancing your customer experience through various digital marketing platforms. When you plan to use digital marketing strategy for your organization, it does not mean you should implement all of this technique. Digital marketing technique should be used as per the industry and as per the requirement of the organization. Digital marketing is all about online marketing, and digital marketing can be categorized into seven major categories, and these seven major categories are search engine optimization, search engine marketing, content marketing, social media marketing, pay per click advertising marketing, affiliate marketing, email marketing. These are the main categories of digital marketing. All these categories has their own advantage and disadvantage depending on the industry you implement the same. Logistic industry has to decide which of the following category is very useful and benefit for them. And the most important category that can be implemented by logistic industry in their marketing strategy is content marketing.